pension reform program po, in place na po to. So from September 1, nakatanggap na ho ng pension increase ang ating mga members. No? So, dalawang batches ho to kasi merong nakaka-receive ng pension every 1st and every 16. Yung increase po would happen for the next 3 years. So, ibig sabihin, to answer your question directly, yes, it will, that last tranche of the increase would be in 2027. So, as shared by Commissioner Limlingan, if you are currently receiving 10,000 pesos as of August 31st, 2025, by September 1st, 2027, your pension would be 13,300. So, and then, tuloy-tuloy ho yun. 13,300 hanggang nabubuhay ho kayo. Hanggang nabubuhay ho kayo, yung bago na yung pension nyo, 13,000 na. And the reason why it's 3 years is that by 2028, the SSS law, which is RA 11199, would be 10 years na po. So, kasama ko sa pinag-iisipan na maybe in 2020, sometime in 2027, pinag-aaralan na ho whether angkop pa ang batas na napapaloob ang SSS to the market. So until such time, it is probable that there could be amendments in our charter in 2028 because 10 years na ho siya. Pero until that time comes, I think the SSS Charter Republic Act 11199 allows SSS to implement plans and programs and be more relevant to the Filipino people.
We won't increase contributions by a single peso to pay for this. We carefully studied it. We manage your funds prudently. We invest it wisely. And because of this, all of this will be done without a single peso of additional contribution to pay for this. Thank you, sir.
Things that watch the message of our president when he visited SSS last week. He mentioned to me when the key directive now is to make sure that you improve the service that you provide to your members, leveraging technology wherever, however, to provide better service. So, kami po sa SSS, while we will embark on a digital transformation journey, and ang aming motto ngayon is digital first but no member left behind. So, meaning we will still open new branches moving forward, but at the same time, may directive po ako to leverage technology, work with Secretary Aguda of DICT to ensure proper connectivity to our services. And as mentioned yesterday by Secretary Recto, please make sure that yung mga pensioners nyo, yung mga nagpupunta sa branches, is umiksi ang pila. So, those are very simple tasks na sinabi sa akin, but to implement it in this scale would really be the main focus of SSS for 2026 and beyond. And I would not end this press conference without mentioning also the plans and programs of Social Security for the OFWs. So we are also very much concerned, as shared by the President, each life of a Filipino counts. So wherever our countrymen reside, meron din ho tayo itong programa. Because every Filipino is entitled to becoming a member of the Social Security system.